Good morning, students. Welcome to your SST class. As we know that we are doing chapter number 12, festivals and celebrations. Let's continue. In previous video, we did the National Festival of India. Now, in this video, we will study about the religious festivals of India. As we know that India is a land of many religions because the people of different religions lived in India. So the festivals which are connected with religion are called the religious festivals. In India, the Hindu, Muslim, Christians and Sikhs all have a large number of festivals all around the year. So the religious festivals are as different as the people. The religious festivals spread the message of love and joy, thus bringing people closer to each other. These religious festivals bring people close to each other because all the festivals celebrated by the people of all religions. And these festivals give us the message of love and joy. Let us know more about these religious festivals. Number one is Holi. Holi is called the festival of colors. People play with colors and have fun. On this day, color, food, music and gifts are used to celebrate the victory of good over evil. People also enjoy with colors and have fun. Children also play with colors and enjoy this festival very much. Next is Dussehra. It is called the Vijayadashmi. It is the festival which is celebrated on the 10th day of Navratri. On this day, the Lord Rama got victory over Ravana. So this festival gives us the message that good always wins over the evil. Next is the Durga Puja. Durga Puja is the most popular festival of West Bengal. People worship goddess Durga on this day. Durga are placed in various pandals. The people wear new clothes and move out of their homes to see the beautifully decorated pandals and worship the goddess. This is the festival of West Bengal. On this day, people worship goddess Durga. They wear new clothes and come out of their houses to see the beautifully decorated pandals and to see the idols of the goddess Durga. Next is the Diwali. Diwali is the festival of light. On this day, the people celebrate the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after the victory of Rama over Ravana. When the Lord Rama got victory over Ravana, then they came back to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. So the people celebrate this festival with clean their houses, lighted diyas, they wear new clothes and worship goddess Lakshmi on this day. They distribute and eat sweets also. Next is the Raksha Bandhan. It is the festival of brother and sister. This festival celebrates the brother-sister bond. On this day, the sister applies silk and tie rakhi on the brother wrist. And the brother in turn vows to protect the sister. He promises that he will protect his sister from all the dangers. So, this Raksha Bandhan is the festival of brother and sister. Next is Eid ul Fitr. It is the festival of Muslims. People dress up in fine clothes and they greet each other Eid Mubarak. A special dish called the semia is prepared in all homes. Next is the Guru Purab. The Guru Purab is the most important festival of Sikhs. The birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev Ji is celebrated as a festival on Kartik Purnima, and the birth anniversary of 10th Guru, Guru Gobind Singh Ji, is also celebrated as a festival. On this day, people visit Gurdwaras, listen Gurbanis, eat langar or the holy food in Gurdwaras. Next is the Christmas. Christmas is the festival that celebrates the birthday of Jesus Christ. It is celebrated on December 25th every year. People decorate their homes and place Christmas tree inside their homes with lights and stars on it. Christmas is the festival celebrated the birthday of Jesus Christ. It is celebrated on 25th December. People decorate Christmas tree inside their homes with lights and stars. They pray in church, sing Christmas carols. Children especially wait for Santa Claus to come and fill their homes with gifts. Next is the Buddha Purnima. The birth of Lord Buddha is celebrated as Buddha Purnima. People take part in special prayers and exchange greetings. The festival marks birth, enlightenment, and death of Gautam Buddha. This festival is celebrated as Buddha Purnima because on this day the Lord Buddha was born. Next is the Mahavir Jayanti is celebrated the birth of Lord Mahavira. On this day, the Lord Mahavira was born, who was the founder of the Jainism. So, this festival is called the Mahavir Jayanti. Next is the harvest festivals. Harvest festivals are celebrated to mark the harvesting of crops and change of seasons. It is the time to celebrate because crops in the fields are ready for harvest. So, these festivals are called the harvesting festivals. Number 1 is Bihu. It is the most harvest festival of Assam. This festival is celebrated for almost a month. Men and women wear their traditional dresses and dance in the fields. Next is the Pongal. It is the harvest festival celebrated in Tamil Nadu. On the first day, people worship rain god. On second day, sun god. And third day, cattle are worshipped. And people eat Pongal rice. They decorate their homes with beautiful rangoli. And they celebrate this festival with great joy. Next is the Onam. Onam is the special harvest festival of Kerala, and snake boat races are also held throughout Kerala. Elephants are also decorated. Colorful processions are carried out. People prepare special dishes at home and serve them on banana leaves. They eat these sweet dishes or special dishes on the banana leaves. Next is Baisakhi. Baisakhi is the festival of harvest celebrated by the Sikh community. It is the most famous festival of Punjab, and this festival is very important for farmers because on this day the farmers thank God for the harvest and pray for good crops in the future. So these are the religious festivals and the harvest festivals. We should celebrate these festivals with peace and harmony, and these festivals give us a lesson, or these festivals motivates us to be a better people and to share our joy with the whole world. So students, read page number 83 and 84, the religious festivals and the harvest festivals properly. Thank you. Have a nice day.